tried to feel more than dreams and plans that never seem to work. People was right in my heart, hoping to be the pain at me. But every night comes back, creeping in like a ghost I can't escape. Reminding me that I'm just a lonely man in a world full of faces. I see their smiles, hear their laughter, but it all feels so far away. Like I'm watching life through a window, but I can't find the door. They say time heals, but all that's done is deep in this empty space. I'm stuck in this loop, chasing shadows, hoping for something more. I keep telling myself that someday someone will break through, but it's hard to believe every day feels the same as before. Loneliness is a friend that never leaves, no matter how hard I try. Why you find something that's always been a part of you? I'm just a lonely man, wandering through this life without a hand to hold, trying to find a place where I can find and feel like I belong. But every step I take feels like I'm moving further from the light. Is there anyone out there who can see the tears behind my smile? These words hoping someone will understand the pain inside. But they just know it's my life, they know what it's like to be alone. They will see the scars that loneliness leaves on a man's soul. How you heal when the wounds are deeper than anyone can know. I keep telling myself that someday someone will break through, but it's hard to believe every day feels the same as before. Loneliness is a friend that never leaves, no matter how hard I try. How you find something that's always been a part of you? I'm just a lonely man, wandering through this life without a hand to hold, trying to find a place where I can find and feel like I belong. But every step I take feels like I'm moving further from the light. Is there anyone out there who can see the tears behind my smile? Loneliness is a prison that locks you away from the rest of the world. It's hard to break free when the chains are forged from your own fears. But I keep fighting, searching for that one soul who understands. Maybe someday I'll find the key to this cage that holds me tight. A lonely man, wandering through this life without a hand to hold, trying to find a place where I can find and feel like I belong. But every step I take feels like I'm moving further from the light. Is there anyone out there who can see the tears behind my smile? Loneliness is a part of me, but it's not all that I am. I'll keep searching for the light, even in the darkest of nights. Someday, somehow, break free from the chains and find my soul, and maybe then I'll find the peace that I've been searching for.